Virgin Mobile new APN settings for slow network charge 5. APN settings in 4G Mobile Test Try APN. Let's see full settings in this video, step by step. Go to Phone Settings, SIM and Network Settings. Select SIM card for new APN. Access point name. Click on plus icon, add new APN. Now put all important settings this page. Tab on name. Tab on APN. Server. APN type. APN protocol, IPv4, IPv6. APN roaming protocol, IPv4, IPv6. Now save all settings after check your phone internet speed. Please subscribe my channel, like, share.